girls, in this video I'm going to read you a summary about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. One day the news reporter said that Mr. Willy Wonka has chosen only 5 lucky children to go inside the chocolate factory. He has placed golden tickets in each chocolate. If anyone has found the golden tickets, they would be lucky to go inside Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Charlie saw the news, so he asked the fat shopkeeper one more chocolate bar. The same one of those, please. Why not? Said the fat shopkeeper. And the fat shopkeeper gave Charlie a chocolate bar. And Charlie opened the foil. And he saw a golden chocolate bar. He was one of the lucky children to go inside Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. I like Charlie because he never gave up. He just buys and buys chocolate until he finds a golden ticket. He's never giving up. That's why I like Charlie. He's my favorite character. Bye bye, boys and girls. Remember, subscribe to the video and press the bell button.